now 82-year-old, since last year, feeling of tiredness, I say, much increase. So you see more activities in different continent, in different country. I may not sort of participate. So I brought to my trusted colleagues, not colleague, student. No. You know, since I retired from political responsibility, 2001, the Professor Samdhong then took the responsibility. So since then, that's the initial stage. So next 10 years, my position is a semi-retired position. Then 2011, this person elected. Then I totally now retired from political responsibility. So these, I can say my trusted friend, and also they knows my thinking. So now, although Rinpoche also, you see, now today his hair shaved, so otherwise it's a complete white. I'm older, but still a lot of black. So, because you see, our work continuously should be more active and sort of more meeting like that. So these two persons, I have full trust. You see, they, if your side and also concerns from government side, okay, then you see these two persons, either one, you see, can participate as my representative or my personal sort of emissary, like that.